Today's menu is Doenjang Jjigae. Doenjang Jjigae is a traditional Korean stew made with doenjang, a fermented soybean paste. Its origins date back hundreds of years to Korea's agrarian society, where fermentation was used to preserve food. Doenjang is rich in beneficial probiotics created through fermentation, which help improve digestion, gut health, and immunity. Tofu 된장 jjigae, in particular, is high in plant-based protein and known for its mild yet deep flavor. This jjigae varies by region and household, making it a very personal and home-style dish. For Koreans, 된장 jjigae represents home-cooked meal, comfort, and everyday life. Among them, today I will teach you how to make tofu 된장 jjigae, which is easy to make with the most basic ingredients. First, let's prepare the ingredients for tofu 된장 jjigae. For 2 servings, prepare 200 grams of tofu, 1/3 of zucchini, a half an onion, a half or 1 green onion, 1 or 2 green chili pepper, and 1 stock cube, which is Korean style broth. Firstly, cut the onion, zucchini, tofu into large chunks. Finally, chop the green onion and chili peppers, which will be added at the end to enhance flavor. Add 400 ml of water to unpot tteokbokki and drop in 1 stock cube. Stock cubes are commonly available at Korean markets and make broth preparation easy, but you can skip it if unavailable. Turn the heat and add the remaining seasonings. 1 traditional soybean paste, 1 soybean paste for soybean paste stew. If you don't have it, you can use traditional soybean paste instead. 1 red pepper powder, 1 minced garlic. Let it boil briefly until the stock cube dissolves and the seasonings are fully mixed. Once it starts boiling, add the onion, tofu, and zucchini. Continue to simmer until the zucchini and onion become tender and slightly translucent. When the jjigae is bubbling, add the green onion and chili pepper last and simmer briefly. Adding them at the end helps preserve their fresh flavor and nutrients. You can also add other ingredients such as mushrooms, radishes, or potatoes according to your taste. Finally, your delicious 된장찌개 is finished. Enjoy!